Hey everyone, if Brave browser is not opening, crashing on launch, or stuck on loading, don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through simple fixes to get Brave working again on your device. First, restart your computer or phone. This clears temporary glitches that may be preventing Brave from launching properly. Next, make sure Brave isn't already running in the background. Yeah, sometimes it stays open silently and blocks a new launch. If your system is outdated, it can affect browser performance. I mean, install any pending Windows, macOS, or mobile updates before trying again. On Windows, try running Brave as administrator. This gives the browser full permissions to launch correctly. If Brave partially opens or keeps crashing, corrupted cache files might be the reason, so clearing them can fix startup issues. Sometimes antivirus software or firewall settings block Brave from opening. Yeah, temporarily disable them and test the browser again. If nothing works, uninstall Brave and reinstall the latest version from the official website. This replaces corrupted files and fixes deeper issues. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix Brave browser not opening and get you back online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.